How to view someone's TikTok without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you or help you on how you can view someone's TikTok without them knowing. If you open the TikTok, you'll get an interface like this. As you can see the video here, if I swipe it from my right towards my left side of my screen, then I'll be able to go to their profile and look at the video and look at the profile. Now, before the summer, the TikTok used to give an option to look at who viewed your profile, but now it doesn't allow you to view or know who viewed your TikTok profile. So you can simply look at the account and they won't know that you viewed their profile unless you go into the profile, go into the video and like the video or comment on it. If you like on it, they'll be able to look who liked on the TikTok account. They'll be able to view who liked on the video or commented. So if you don't like or comment, you'll be able to avoid from them knowing that you viewed the TikTok account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.